Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can select English language on Duolingo. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and download Duolingo and open that. And here you have two options. If you have an account, you simply need to click on I already have an account, but I do not have, then I need to click on Get Started, and then you need to click on Continue and click on Continue again. So here you can see that what would you like to learn. So here you can see that Russian, Korean, Portuguese, Dutch. So here you can see different languages, but as you can see that as I scroll down, click on more, and here you can see different languages. So here you need to scroll for further, so select the English language. So let me find that. So as you can see that there is no English language, so let me select the language that is, let me select English first, and need to answer some questions. So let me select a random question, and here I need to answer some few questions. Okay, click on continue and click on continue again, click on continue again and click on continue, and okay, click on continue. So click on continue again. So now it is loading. So as you can see that the app interface is already in English. So basically this is that. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.